This is a glitch. Guys, we found a glitch. This is close, bro. Like, you can make it big. Well, this is just close. Just close. Like, whoa. No way. Dude, it's just this. How high is this, bro? Like, bro, how high is this? But this is so high. This is so freaking That's so high. And bro, tickets auto? You were real for the whole time? Okay. How high are they? Oh, forgot. I meant how? Oh, I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting. Let me just. Oh my god. So high up, bro. You were so high up. People thought that just don't know where are we. No freaking damn high up. No way. No way, bro. There's so many people. You can look at the view of the map, bro. And now you're falling. You are going to go there. Wow. Good. Oh my god, this ship is so covered. Dude, look at that, bro. Look at that. How did we bro make this? Dude. Look, bro, this is just high. Nah, bro, this is just a freaking. Look, bro, if you're leaving the room just like this, you might see a black there. Oh, bro, you go outside and die. Okay, bro. No more. No.